All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. Today, Honda released the pricing on the brand new 2022 Honda Civic Si. Let's get to that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric. We're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so without stretching this along, let's get to the price of that brand new Civic Si, and then we're going to compare it to its competition to see if it falls in line. And what do you guys think about pricing, of overall value? And would you guys buy it, or would you guys buy one of these other options that we're going to go through? So the price, including destination, is $28,315, which is a huge price bump from last year. That has gone up by $2,120, but for your money, they have taken away 5 horsepower. That's right, so they're charging you more for less. Although Honda does say that steering and acceleration and all that kind of stuff is going to be improved in this version. They did say that 300 RPM sooner torque shows up, so you're going to get your torque 300 RPM sooner. They also say peak power is better between 6,000 and 6,500 RPM, so it's supposed to perform better in daily routine. And it has a lightweight flywheel, and it's got a sport tune suspension, but no dual mode. Last gen, the 10th gen, had a fantastic dual mode where it was like soft and comfortable, and then when it got sporty, it would just click over and it was just super nice. That's gone. It's just a straight up sport tune suspension. Of course, the LSD is still there. Hey, it looks fantastic. I love the overall looks. Honda nailed it inside and out, but $28,315. I'm sorry, that sounds a little bit much for a Honda Civic Si. Let's check out the competition. Let's go with one that's more expensive, cheaper, more expensive, cheaper, and then see where stuff lines up. So on the more expensive side, the 2022 Volkswagen GLI jumped up to $31,990. So hey, it's $3,000, well, almost $4,000 more. It's like $3,700 or so. But it does have more power, so 228 horsepower. It does have more torque, so 258 foot-pounds of torque. So it does give you more for the money. Then you can go down in price. Let's go to the 2022 Kia Forte Gt Manual, so 6-speed manual. Same thing with the GLI as well. This is going to be $25,485. So we're talking almost $3,000 less, just $170 shy of $3,000 less. Call it $3,000. But it gives you 1 extra horsepower and 3 more foot-pounds of torque. So 201 and 195 for almost $3,000 less. All right, let's go back up in price. We have our Mazda. Well, the Mazda 3 and the 2.5 liter turbo does come with all-wheel drive. Starts off at $31,045. So almost $1,000 less than the GLI. Almost $955 or so cheaper than the GLI. Comes with 250 horsepower, 320 foot-pounds of torque, only a 6-speed auto, no manual here. That's if you're using premium. If you're not using premium, power drops to 227 and 310. Now, those are the horsepower and the torque and all that kind of stuff. Those are just some of the things. Of course, you'd have to drive each one. Maybe you like the looks of one better than the other, handling dynamics better than one or the other. But still, we have price ranging from the low 25, so 25,275 in the Elantra N line, right? That one has 201 horsepower and 195 foot-pounds of torque. It's like the Kia Forte GT, only it's even cheaper by about 200 and some odd dollars, about 210. Right? So you can go all the way down to 25,275, or you can go all the way up to the GLI at 31,990, and the Civic Si is priced in the middle at 28,315. But it offers the least amount of horsepower, the least amount of torque out of anyone. Anyone else disappointed in this? Look, if I'm going based on looks alone, and a lot of these cars look fantastic. I think a lot of them look really good. So that's, dealer's choice as far as looks are concerned. I will slightly give it to the Si on looks alone. But $28,000? No. What if I want to spend a couple $1,000s more and get more power in the 3? Looks almost as good, and it's going to give me all-wheel drive. Or what if I want to spend less? What if I want to get the Elantra N-Line or the Kia Forte GT? It kind of looks like a mini Stinger. We're talking saving $3,000. So I'm not sure if the Honda Civic Si is worth this $28,315. Leave your comments down below. Out of the Civic Si, the GLI, the Kia GT, Forte GT, the Elantra N-Line, and the Mazda 3 Turbo, which one of those would you guys get? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.